Good day, everyone. I would like to introduce the three uncommon Filipino words. Before I start, I would like introducing myself. First, my name is Ronald Fabregas. I'm from Pulot Center. My birthday is November 17, 2008. My nickname is Ron. The first uncommon Filipino word is makahuyo. Explanation. Makahuyo means being deeply amazed or captivated by the beautiful of nature. Example. Makahuyo ako sa ganda ng paglubog ng araw. The second uncommon Filipino word is gunita. Definition. Gunita, a memory or collection of past events. Explanation. Bumalik sa aking gunita ang masasayang ala-ala namin. The last part is hiraya. Definition. Hiraya means dream, aspiration, vision, or imagination. It refers to a hope or goal that a person wishes to achieve in the future. Explanation. Ang hiraya ko ay magiging tagumpay balang araw. We are done, guys. Thank you for watching. But in the end of video, we have the shoutout for our new followers. Shout out Mark Angelo Saison. And shout out kay Kenneth Dimaulo.